Imagine waking up every day with confidence, purpose, and peace of mind, not in a palace, not on a golden throne, but in your own life. Because living like a king is not about crowns or castles. It's about mastering the art of happiness and success. Today, I will share with you 8 royal secrets that can transform your daily life. Secrets used by leaders, thinkers, and visionaries to rule their own worlds. Are you ready to discover them? Guard your time like treasury. A king never wastes his time on things that don't matter. He understands that every minute is precious. To live like a king, protect your time with the same respect. Say no to distractions, no to meaningless gossip, and no to toxic habits. Every day, focus on what brings you closer to your dreams, because your time is your crown, and once it is lost, it never returns. Walk with confidence. Even before you feel it, you noticed how royalty walks, calm, steady, and with purpose. You don't need to be born into nobility to carry yourself like one. Confidence is not about arrogance, it's about believing in your own worth. Stand tall, look people in the eyes, and speak with clarity. When you walk with confidence, the world will treat you as you treat yourself. Keep your mind sharp and educated. A true king or queen is always a student of life. Knowledge is power, but wisdom is freedom. Read daily, learn new skills, and expose yourself to fresh ideas. Don't let your mind become dull in the age of endless distractions. When you feed your mind, you become rich in possibilities, and the richer your mind becomes, the stronger your kingdom of life will grow. Master self-discipline. The royal weapon. Think of every empire that has survived. They didn't rise because of comfort. They rose because of discipline. To live like a king, you must rule over yourself first. Wake up with purpose. Create habits that build you, not break you. Discipline may feel heavy at first, but it will carry you further than motivation ever could. Your habits will become your palace walls, protecting your future. Surround yourself with loyal allies. A king without trusted advisors cannot last long. In life, your allies are your friends, mentors, and partners. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, challenge you, and inspire you. Distance yourself from those who drain your energy or push you into negativity. Your kingdom is built not just on your strength, but on the strength of those beside you. Show gratitude for every blessing. What is a king without appreciation? Even the richest palace feels empty without gratitude. When you start your day by thanking life for what you have, you multiply your blessings. Gratitude is not weakness, it is strength. It teaches you to see opportunities instead of problems. And when others feel your gratitude, they are drawn to your presence. Lead with generosity, not with first. Greatest rulers in history are remembered not for their power, but for their kindness. To live like a king, learn to give, whether it's knowledge, support, or encouragement. When you give without expecting, you build a legacy of respect and love. Remember, fear creates obedience, but generosity creates loyalty, and loyalty builds empires that last beyond lifetimes. Protect your inner peace above a law. True king understands that the greatest wealth is inner peace. You can have gold, fame, and power, but without peace, it all feels empty. Practice stillness, meditate, breathe deeply, and let go of what you cannot control. Your inner peace is your throne. and no one can take it from you unless you give it away. Rule your emotions, rule your mind, and you will rule your life. Living like a king is not about castles or crowns. It's about mastering yourself, protecting your time, and living with purpose. It's about surrounding yourself with the right people, practicing gratitude, and leading with kindness. If you follow these 8 royal secrets, you will discover a kingdom greater than any palace, the kingdom within yourself. So rise, live with confidence, and claim your crown, because the world is waiting for your royal presence.